Eat Clean 7-Day Weight Loss Menu. Eat Clean is a diet that prioritizes clean, fresh foods and limits processed foods. This is a diet that many people are applying today. Accordingly, the 7-Day Eat Clean Weight Loss Menu is implemented as follows. How many calories should I cut a day to lose weight? According to the US CDC, losing 0.45 to 0.9 kilograms per week is the goal to help people follow the 7-day weight loss menu effectively and without causing physical weakness. To achieve that goal, you need to cut 495 to 990 calories per serving. That means the amount of calories you take in each day must always be below the calculated TDE, total daily energy expenditure, threshold. Besides, you should also pay attention to the quality of food and the proportion of substances in each serving. If you only care about reducing calories and ignore the above criteria, the weight loss process will be difficult to achieve effective results. Specifically, foods with a high GI such as rice, noodles, pho, vermicelli, sugary drinks, etc. will increase blood sugar and store fat in the body. Therefore, these foods will be detrimental to each person's weight loss goals. White starch will not be as effective as brown starch. Fat helps increase feelings of fullness, so you don't need to cut it out of your diet completely. What is the Eat Clean diet? Eat clean using foods as close to their natural state as possible to provide maximum nutritional benefits. Choosing good quality and sustainable foods is also part of Eat Clean. The basic principles of eating clean will encourage you to consume more whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains and healthy fats, and at the same time, limit processed fast foods, sweets, and other packaged foods. An example of a meal that includes all of these foods would be a spinach salad with grilled chicken, quinoa, avocado, walnuts, and apple slices. Our channel has just developed, so there are many shortcomings. Please leave comments and suggestions so we can improve better. Please subscribe to the channel and share this video if you find it interesting.